Hello and welcome. Today we're going to continue where we left off last time with respect to the how-to I'm sharing on my screen now that described how you can use the packages msmtp and Heirloom MailX on an Ubuntu system to send an email using Gmail. If you have not seen that how-to, you might not be able to follow this. So my advice would be to start there. I'll be posting a link to this page to allow you to catch up. Last time I mentioned this video and I said that we're going to make some improvements to it. Without further ado, let me share what these improvements are. I'm going to open Terminal, Ctrl-Shift-T if you know the shortcut, and I'm going to dump the configuration file we used last time. If you look closely, you will see that the password I have in my file is visible. It is in clear text. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use a password manager. Now I'm going to use a tool called Secret Tool to store my password. libsecret will allow you to store a password and later retrieve it. In libsecret, you have 4 options: store a password, look it up, which are the 2 we'll focus on, clear a password, and search a password. What we're going to do, we're going to take this password, store it in libsecret, and then modify this file so that it reads from the same repository. Let me open a new window, and the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to store the password. My command, store, a label, and a key and a value pair. So these are mine, and now I'm being asked for the password. I'm going to go across, copy that, paste it, and that has been stored. I'm going to call it up using the lookup option. And there you can see it matches what I have on file. I now need to go into my msmtp config file, so I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to replace just one entry here. Instead of password, which looks up for a particular string, I'm going to use password evaluate, and instead of the password itself now, I'm going to paste in quotes the libsecret command. That's all that I need to do. I'm going to write the file, exit the file, and now I'm going to send out an email. So echo to mail, set the subject as HOWTO part 2, and that should be okay. I'm going to go into my Google account, and there you can see the mail came in, originated from Gmail. You need in your mail program, be it Gmail or whatever, to ensure that you have enabled SMTP functionality. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go through the process, but rather than use Gmail, this time I'm going to use Outlook. So I have my Outlook account opened. I'm going to go into my email settings, and I'm going to look for SMTP, and it's under sync email. Another thing I need here is look settings I have, and very importantly, the SMTP server name. This is what I will be using. Clear the screen, and I'm going to edit my file. So rather than Gmail, I'm going to change this to Outlook. Host is from, in this particular case, is different. So I'm going to put my own, and user. I need to generate the password for the app. So let's do that. I'm going to close here. I'm going to go into my Microsoft account, security, advanced security options, create a new app password, and here it is. Copy that, Open my terminal window. I'm going to store my password in my vault. Copy that, paste that. I'm just going to confirm that my password has been correctly and fully entered. Office 365. Everything else has been changed. I'm going to output the file. I'm going to exit the file, and I'm going to move up to the echo. Well, that concludes the short addendum. I hope you found it useful. If you like this video, please press a thumbs up, and if you don't, press a thumbs down. Subscribe so that you can be informed whenever I put out new material. Thank you very much, and see you soon.